guys. Original. They're original. Wow. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. All right, let's go down. Traction. Oh, this one, oh my God, this is so freaking cool. Okay, so this one down. This is amazing. I can't believe it. Oh, look at that. My gosh. Look at these buttons. This is freaking amazing. Guys, I'm losing it right now. These are actually so cool. I'm foaming so hard right now. I can't even contain my excitement. This is so cool. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Custom Montgomery buttons. Oh my God. These look like Asian or something. I can't believe this. Here it is. Look at that pre-door. All right, 4. This is creepy as hell. All right, we're gonna go down. Oh wow, look at this button. Interesting. Okay, let's go down to 1 and we'll end it there. Oh my gosh. This is, I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where to start. This is literally amazing. Huh. I can't even believe these are here. All right. I'm gonna go up to 2. There's another one of those weird buttons here. Look at that. I love that lantern. That's so cool. Wait. What the heck? These are Reliance. These are Reliance? What? I don't understand. These aren't Montgomery. These are freaking Reliance. What? This doesn't make sense. All right. We're gonna, yeah, look at this. It's a Reliance. Maybe they just put the button on, I don't know. But like, anyway, that's it. We're gonna end it here. And that's it.